Good morning, children.
Good morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning, ma'am.
We are learning the chapter measurements. Chapter measurements. In measurements, we learned perimeter. And what is perimeter? It is the distance
Length.
around the figure.
Closed figure.
We can say the sum of the length of the closed figure. Sum of the length of the closed figure. So, children, just before some time, I have sent the notes.
Yes, ma'am.
After this class, you can complete. Okay.
Yes,
Try
ma'am.
to complete
Yes, ma'am.
after this class. Now, we learned area. So, perimeter, we learned the perimeter of rectangle. Who can tell me the formula? Raise your hand and tell me. Perimeter of, yes, Simon. Perimeter of rectangle.
2 into L plus B.
2 into L plus B. 2 into L plus B. Okay, Harsha, can you tell me what is the perimeter of a square?
4 into S.
4 into S, 4 into side. Very good. So, children, if you remember the formula, it is very easy. Only just we need to substitute the value for length or breadth, only that much. And children, we learned area. Area means the surface or the amount of surface covered by a region. That is inside area. We know what is the area of this room. We will say inside. How much area, how much amount of surface. So, that is area. So, what is the formula of area of a rectangle? Who can tell me? Yes, Fia? Area of rectangle?
2L into B.
2 into L plus B, that is perimeter. Area of rectangle.
Ma'am, L into B.
L into B. Only. There is not 2, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
L into B. Length into breadth. Length into breadth. Now,
Yes, ma'am.
area of square.
Ma'am,
Children,
side into side.
Side into side. Because here it is same as length into breadth, but here in the square, children, all the sides are equal. So even if you say L into B means here all the sides are equal. That is why S into S. But children, here area, the unit is square unit. If it is given in centimeter, we will write square centimeter, square meter. Okay. Now, area of rectangle is L in length into breadth. Area of square is side into side. One more is there. Area of triangle. Who can tell me?
Ma'am, I meant
Yes, I mean.
half into base plus height.
Base into height. Base into height. Half of the
Yes, ma'am. Base into height.
base into height. Now, children, only one more formula we have to study, that is volume. Volume, I told you, it is related to 3D shape. Okay. Can you say the 3D shape of square, children? Cube. Cube. Okay. And what is the 3D shape for rectangle?
Cuboid.
So, children, study. Yes, very good. So, we will study only the formula for cube and cuboid. And children, 3D shape.
Triangle is base into height.
Area of triangle is equal to, I will explain. Area of triangle, we have base into height. Why? Because triangle, we have base and height. So, half of base into height. And what is the area of rectangle? Length into breadth. Area of square is side into side. Why side into side? Because you know the square, all the 4 sides are equal. All the 4 sides are equal, side into side. So, children, now we are learning today volume. So, you told me the 3D shape of square is cube. 3D shape of rectangle is cuboid. And children, volume, it is a 3D shape. So, how many units it will be having? Like 3. So, if cuboid, we have length, breadth, and height. So, to find the volume, what we will do? Length into breadth into height. Length into breadth into height. So, what is the volume of a cuboid? Who can tell me? Yes, Gautam. Volume of a cuboid. Length into breadth into one more height. Why? Because this is 3D shape and it has 3-dimensional length, breadth, and height. So, children, here the unit is cubic units. Cubic units. So, we will write whenever we will do the problems. You have to write the centimeter cube, meter cube. So, that is cubic units. Cubic units. Cubic units. So volume of cube, what it will be? Who can tell me volume of cube? Yes, Angelina. Volume of cube.
Side into side.
Yes. Why, children? Here, length, all the sides are equal. All the sides are equal. So length, breadth, height, all are same. So what is the formula to find the volume of a cube? Side into side into side. And what is the formula to find the volume of a cuboid? Length into breadth into height. Okay, children. So I will write all the formula here again. I will. Yes, mute your audio, Angelina. I will write the formula again here. All the children, please revise it again. Okay? Perimeter. Children, don't get confused. When we know the formula, it is very easy for us to do the calculations. Perimeter. Area. Then volume. So area we will give little more bigger. Area, then volume. So children, you have to write like this and study the formula. Write and study the formula. Don't get confusion. So what is perimeter? Distance. So if children, if I am writing the distance around the figure, this is perimeter. Perimeter means distance around the closed figure, and it is 2D shape. Okay, volume, it is related to 3D shape. Children, we used to say, what is the volume of a like bottle? We learned in our smaller classes. How much water can be in your water bottle? That is the volume. That is the space occupied by a solid or 3D shape. How much space? So what is area? It is the amount of surface. Here, amount of surface inside that is covered by a region. And it is about 3D shape. It is about 3D shape. Okay. So here, 3D shape, that is the volume. And perimeter means distance around, or the sum of the length of a closed figure. Area will be the surface covered by. So children, understand the concept. What is peri? Peri means around. Length around a closed figure. Area means it is inside. All these related to flat surface or 2D shape. But volume, it is related to 3D shape. So we have 3 units, that is cubic units. Cubic units. CU units means cubic units. That is the unit. And here area means it will be square. Square units. And here we will have only, if it is centimeter, we will write centimeter, meter, like that. Okay. Now, children, Agnes, can you tell me this formula again, one more time? Perimeter, rectangle.
2 into L plus B.
So here, children, rectangle. I'm writing this again so that you will revise the formula again and we can do the problem. Rectangle. The perimeter we will denote by P. 2 times L plus B. 2 times L plus B. Now, about square. Anthony? Yes, Anthony. What is the perimeter of a square?
4 into
This side. Okay. So children, if a triangle is given, you have to just add all the measure around this figure. Okay. And area. Area. Isha, can you say area? The formula for rectangle.
The form L into B.
L into B. Very good. Length into breadth. Children, look here how I am writing area by A. Perimeter, that first letter P. Area A. Area is of a rectangle is length into breadth. And what about square? What is the formula to find the... Yes, Anadesh. Formula to find the area of square.
Ma'am, S into S.
Yes, side into side. Very good. side into side. Okay. Now, Ammu, can you tell me the formula to find the area of triangle?
Ma'am,
Triangle. See, look at here. Rectangle is length into breadth. Square is side into side. Triangle. Yes.
ma'am, half of a rectangle.
Half of a rectangle.
Rectangle.
So you can tell me the half of L into B.
Length and breadth.
Length and breadth. But here, children, we will write half of L into B or half of BH. Because here, for triangle, we have a base and a height. Half of base into height. Okay. Now, we are learning 3D shape. That is volume of rectangle. That is we learned today. Volume of rectangle. Who can tell me this volume of rectangle? Volume of rectangle, and who can tell me? Yes, Simon. Volume of rectangle. Volume of cube. Cuboid.
Ma'am, volume of cuboid is length into breadth into height.
Very good. Length into breadth into height. Harsha, cube.
Side into side into side.
Very good. Okay, so children, I will write here, instead of this rectangle, that is 3D shape of rectangle, we will write cuboid. You know that cuboid is in that your pencil box and all, pencil box, shoe box, like that. That is the shape cuboid. We have length into breadth into height. Length into breadth into height. Because this 3D shape, 3D means three-dimensional. It is length, breadth, and height. And cube, it is side into side into side.
4 times side.
Side into side into side. And children, what is the unit over here? Cubic. We will write cubic units.
Cubic units.
Cubic units. Here it is square units. Okay, children. So we'll start with our problems from the workbook. Okay, children. So all of you please see question number 6. Question number 6 from your workbook. That one word. Area, the units of area. The units of area. Children, we will try to write all the questions in between. Some questions we have not completed. So question number 6. The units of area. Can you say, look at the question and tell me the answer, children? The units of area. We know that is square units. Look at the question. Who can tell me? Yes, Angelina.
Ma'am, C, option C. X cube.
Square centimeter. Is there any other answer? Is there any other answer?
Square meter.
Square meter. Okay, square meter and square centimeter. So in the book, it is wrong. It was written option D, but that is wrong. But we have not discussed that answer. So, children, what is the answer? A and C. Yes, yes, Madhav. We will discuss.
We can write A and C.
A and C. Okay, we'll start with the question number 5. Okay, children. So question number 5 was here. I think it was area. So I will ask one by one to read the question 5 and 6. Children, please turn on your camera. Many videos are off. Anusri, can you read question number 5? Unmute. It's not audible. So children, try to, only those person I'm calling, only those children are allowed to read. Okay. Anusri, question number 5. Not possible. Yes, Anthony, question number 5.
Yes, ma'am. The product that gives the area of a square.
Area of square.
S into S.
S into S. Very good. Question number A. Okay. Now, question number 6, children, we discussed now already. The units of area, square meter or square centimeter. So, we can say A and C. A and C. That units of area are square meter and square centimeter. Now, I think we had to do question number 11. Yes, children? Area. Children, that day we completed all the questions.
Question number 10.
Okay, okay. So, children, okay, 1 minute, 1 minute. We have completed the questions related to perimeter in our last class. And today we are writing the questions related to area. Okay, Anadesh.
For pyramid, there is no volume.
What?
For pyramid.
We are learning only cube and cubed this year. Okay. Cube and cubed. Okay. So, children, now question number 10. Question number 10. Wait. Isha, can you read question number 10?
Write the formula for the area of a triangle.
Write the formula for the area of a triangle. Yes.
Half
into. We will write here base. Children, write here base into height. Base into height. Yes.
Then we can write B.
We can write base because children, we don't know base and height. We are just learning the basics this year. So you have to understand B means base. H means height. You have to write everything.
Can we share the screen once more?
Yeah. Half into base into height. Richard, question number 11. Richard.
Yes, ma'am. Find the area of a square having sides 4 centimeters.
First, children, you have to tell me area of a square formula. Children, you have to write all those. So this step. No need to write only the answer. You have to write the formula. Okay. Area of a square. Yes, Richard. Square. What is the formula of area? To find the formula. Yes? Area of a square.
16 centimeters.
16. Tell me the formula.
S into S.
S into S. Very good. Children, you have to write all this. Even if you have only one line, I know. But you can write 4 into 4. Then you can write 16 square centimeter. SQ square centimeter. You have to write all this. Otherwise, you will not be thorough with the formula. So, children, don't ask me, ma'am, is it compulsory to write the formula? The answer only, it's not possible. You have to write the formula again and again. Otherwise, you will get confusion. Area of a square is S into S. What is S? Side into side. Side into side. 4 into 4. 16 square centimeter.
Next is 14th question.
Next is 14th.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, Anthony.
Ma'am, perimeter of a square is 4 into side.
4 into side, yes.
Okay, ma'am. Perimeter.
Yes. Yes. Perimeter means adding all the sides. So 4 times same, it's repeating. Yes, Ayman.
Yes, ma'am. 4 into side.
Send the notes of 14 and you have sent the notes of.
No problem, because that we have done 15. That's why I sent together.
Ma'am,
Okay,
but there are 2 answers in question number 14.
We will discuss the answers now, okay?
Okay.
Children, okay. So I will ask one by one to read. So children, I have sent the notes by because we have done question number 15. So I just sent together. So here, Devak, can you read question number 14?
Yes, ma'am. Find the perimeter and area of a square if the length of its sides is 4.1 centimeter.
So what is the formula to find the perimeter of a square?
4 into S.
4 into S. We have to write only that much. I have sent the notes. That perimeter definition is there. That is no need to write. Only we will write perimeter is equal to 4 into S. Then we will find out. Then we have to find out again area. Area of square means what? Yes, Devak, area of square. Area of
Side into
square.
side.
Side into side. Okay, so you can mute. Side into side. So we will write the formula, then do the calculations. Okay, children. Here, question number 14. What we have to write is perimeter of a square. Formula onwards we will start. Perimeter of a square. Those who have written, no need to write it again. Perimeter of a square. We can say 4 into S. 4 into S. So find out 4 into, what is the side given? That is 4.1. 4.1. Multiply and tell me the answer. 4 into 4.1. 4 times 4.1. 4 times 4.1. What's the answer you got? You have to tell me. Yes, Agnay. What's the answer?
16.1.
16.1.
1.
What about others? Is there any other answer? Ayman, can you tell me? What's the answer you got?
16.4.
16.4. We will check. 16.1 is there. 16.4 is there. So children, so 4.1 we can write into multiply with the 4. 4 into 1, 4. 4 4s are 16. After the decimal we have only one digit. So after the decimal also here also one digit. So 16.4 is the answer. Okay. 16.4 centimeter, because this is only perimeter. Only this much we can write. Perimeter of a square is 4 into side. 4 into 4.1. What is the answer? 16.4. So therefore the perimeter of the square is 16.4 centimeter. Okay. Now children, next one you have to write area of a square. Area of a square. You have to write the formula. Area of a square is equal to, what is that? Side into side, S into S. So here the side is given as 4.1. So you have to multiply again 4.1 into 4.1. That much square centimeter. Square centimeter. Square centimeter is the unit for area. Find out the answer and you have to tell me the answer. Children finish? Those who finish can... Anthony finished? Angelina finished? Yes, Angelina, what's the answer?
Ma'am, I got 3 digits.
4.1 into 4.1.
Ma'am, I got
41 into 41. Then in the answer you should have 2 decimal. 41 into 41 you have to do. Then in the answer you should have 2 digits.
Yes, ma'am, I did it like that.
Yes, Anandesh, what's the answer?
I was asking you.
I'm 18.604.
All of you, please do alone and check from.
41.
We will see here. It's 4.1 into 4.1. 4.1 into 4.1,
ma'am.
we will, those who finish, please check from the board. 1 into 1, 1. 1 into 4, 4. So when we start the second row, place 0. 4 into 1, 4. 4 4s are 16. Just add 1. 4 plus 4, 8. 6.1. So here after the decimal, 1 digit, another digit. So 2 digits total. So from the right side, 1, 2. We will place a point. 16.81. 16.81.
60.81
Square centimeter. 16. So children, how to multiply this 41 into 41? Just multiply as normal. 1 into 1, 1. 1 into 4. Start with 0 in the tens, ones place. So you'll get 16, then 8, 1. So here after the decimal, we have 1 digit here also. So total 2 digits. 1, 2. 16.81. How many got this answer? 16.81. Yes.
First, I was asking you the doubt. That's why I answered.
Yes, Anandesh. What was the mistake?
I got 16 points.
Ma'am, I did. I thought like in the perimeter of square, like I thought the answer was same and did.
What? You
Ma'am,
were without multiplying?
Ma'am, I did 4 into 4.1.
4 into 4.1. Ah, the formula is wrong.
Yes, ma'am.
Ah, look here. The
Ma'am,
formula.
I thought the perimeters and
Perimeter we have finished here.
Yes,
Children, here the perimeter here, it is, what is the perimeter formula? 4 into S. Here we are finding square, side into side. Side into side, okay. So you'll get 16.81 square centimeter. Fia, can you read the next one, Fia? Tell me which question we had to do the next.
Yes, ma'am. 16. Next, we need to do 16th one.
15th one we have done, that was related to perimeter.
Ma'am,
Okay.
16.
Question number 16. Can you read? Can you read?
Okay, ma'am. A rectangle is 6 meters long and 4 meters wide. What is its area?
Rectangle is 6 meter long, 4 meters wide. Wide means breadth. Okay, children. So what is its area? What's the formula to find the area of a rectangle?
L into B.
L into B. Okay, so children, here 16th question B. Area. Children,
ma'am, can I mute?
You can mute. Every time you have to write the formula. No excuse. Area of a rectangle. Area of rectangle, length into breadth. If it is, instead of breadth, if it is given width, that also breadth and width, they are same. Here, length is equal to 6 meter. 6 meter. What is breadth?
4 meter.
4 meter. 6 into 4?
24.
24.
24.
And what is the unit, children? It is square meter. Square meter. If the unit is given centimeter, children, you have to write square centimeter. If the unit is in meter, you have to write square meter. Okay. Now, next one, Brightlin. You have to read question number B. Yes, Brightlin, question number 16th, B.
Find the perimeter of the triangle given below.
So children, triangle perimeter is given. Okay, what is the side? 10 centimeter, 8 centimeter, 6 centimeter. So what we have to do? Just add all the perimeter means what? Sum of sides. Perimeter of the given figure, or we can write perimeter is equal to sum.
Ma'am, we don't have the formula for this triangle.
Just add. Sum of all its sides. See, children, 1 minute. You have to remember what is perimeter. What is perimeter? Sum of all the lengths of the figure. Why we are using formula for square? Because all sides are equal. So if instead of adding 4 times, we can just simply write 4 into side. Okay.
If it is different.
1 minute. And for rectangle, we have length. Opposite sides are equal. So 2 times length plus 2 times breadth. That's why we are using formula. So here, triangle, all the sides are different in this triangle. So just to find the formula, to find the perimeter, Amna, I didn't see you for a long time. You were there, Amna?
Yes, ma'am.
You are there? You are present?
Yes.
Okay. So this answer Amna has to tell me. Amna, find out the answer. Perimeter, sum of all its sides. You have to add 10 centimeter plus 8 centimeter plus 6 centimeter. Yes, Amna? 10 plus 8 plus 6. 10 plus 8 plus 6. You are muted. Unmute and say.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me the answer.
Ma'am, of the perimeter of
perimeter. Yes. Question number 16th B.
Ma'am, 16th B, perimeter of triangle is equal to.
Look at the board. We have written everything here.
Yes, ma'am.
10 plus 8 plus 6.
Ma'am, 24.
24. Can you tell me the unit?
Ma'am, ma'am, unit is.
What is given unit? Look at the what is in 10. What it is given? Is it centimeter or meter? Look at the question.
Ma'am, it is.
It is centimeter. So you have to just write it is 24 centimeter. Only that much, okay? 24 centimeter. Okay, question number C and D also we have. Quickly we can write. Felix, can you tell me what is question number C? Felix.
Find the volume of the cube where is equal to 1 cuboid cm.
1 cubic centimeter. Okay. So children, what we had to write? Volume of a cube. Question number C. Volume of a cube. Can you tell me the formula, Felix? Volume of a cube. Children, you can remember like this. Perimeter means only one, we are adding all the units together. Area means it is length into breadth, we are multiplying. So it is square, we are multiplying. Square unit. Volume means, children, volume we are finding for 3D shape. For 3D shape, we have length, breadth, and height. So it will be, you have to multiply 3 length into breadth into height. For cube, we will write. Felix, are you there?
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
Where is Felix? Wait. Where is Felix? He's there? I cannot.
Ma'am, he's there.
In the second, okay. It's muted. Where is he?
Ma'am, at the bottom.
Yeah. Yes, Felix. Volume of a cube. So 3, you have to remember like this. How you can remember? Volume. Yes, Felix. Tell me the formula of volume of a cube. Yes, children, can you help Felix?
Side into side into side.
Side into side into side.
Side into side.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, instead of side into side, we can write it as length into breadth into height.
Cube. All the sides are equal. You have to write side.
Cuboid only length.
Cuboid only we have to write like that. Okay. We cannot. Yes, children. Side into side into side. Find out the answer. Side into side into side. Cube means all sides are equal. So you have to write side into side into side. Because length, breadth, height all are same. So volume means, children, you have to multiply 3 dimension. Length, breadth, height, or side into side into side. So write volume of a cube. Volume of a cube is equal to side S into S into S. That much cubic units. So here, what is side? It is given how much? Find the volume of cube where each cube is what's that answer, children?
392.
Huh?
392. Ma'am, they are saying one small cube is equal to cubic centimeter. So, ma'am, so we should do side into side into side. So one side there are 7 cube.
7.
Like
so 7 into 7 into 7.
Yes, ma'am.
Check. 7 into 7 into 7.
And 392.
7 into 7, 49 times 7.
Ma'am, sorry, ma'am. My answer became wrong.
So what's the answer?
My answer is wrong.
Huh?
343.
343 cubic units. Cubic units. Cubic units. So children, here each side you have to see how one small cube, that is a cubic, 1 cubic centimeter. So we will find the volume in terms of unit cubes. Okay, unit, yes.
Ma'am, I am in the waiting room, so can you admit me?
What happened?
Ma'am, my power failure is there, so laptop charges
see
very
any
low.
waiting room over here. You are there. You are there in the class. I can see you.
Ma'am, my laptop's battery is very low, so I'm getting in the phone.
But if you are there in the waiting room, I can. But now the time is over, children. It's already 12:16, and our class is till 12:50.
Can you show the book?
Okay,
Okay, so children, write it fast, and we will join at what time? 12:55. Okay, children. Bye. Thank you. Bye bye. We will discuss. We will continue. We will continue in our.
16.
Okay, children. Bye.
Okay, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
And
Thank
Selena,
you,
will take
ma'am.
one more period, yes?
Thank
or
you,
no?
ma'am.
Now the time is over. Next teacher is waiting. It's 12:16. Okay, bye.